Working a little bit this week on learning how to type a little bit better. Today is Friday, so we're going to do something a little fun for typing. Let me remind you how to get where we're going. Let me show you what I need for you to do today. From your class link page, you're going to click on the Typingcom icon. It may ask you to sign in again. If it does, you do that with your Google address. So it says log in with Google. And then you shouldn't have to type anything else in because you've done this before. Now, by this time in the week, you should have completed JF and the space bar and the U, R, and K keys and the D, E, and I keys. So we're not going to do another lesson today. What I want you to do is click up here where it says tests. Don't panic, not a big test like that. Click on tests. We're going to do a 1-minute test. Let me show you what this looks like. You're going to test your typing skills with your first minute test. So you're going to say, take your first minute test. The reason we're doing this right now is just to get an idea of where you're starting. And in a few weeks, you're going to be amazed at the difference in your typing speed and accuracy. So once you click take your first 1-minute test, you'll notice it says start typing and it's highlighting here. You're going to type, and as soon as you start typing, the timer will go down. I'm going to make mistakes here, some on purpose, some not on purpose. And then I'll show you what it does when it makes mistakes, or when you make a mistake. When you make a mistake, if you can, you go back and correct it, and your score will be better. Okay, so as soon as I start typing, that timer is going to start. Okay, see what happens when I messed up? I've typed a B instead of a V, and it's turned red. And my timer's still going, but so I'm going to quickly go back to that V and type the V. See, I need to go back and hit the A and keep going. And when your minute is up, it will stop counting down and it will stop letting you type. You want to get as many words as you can correctly. Fast doesn't matter if all your words are wrong. So you want to do your very best. It's better to go a little bit slower and be a little bit more accurate. Obviously, I don't expect you to type quite as fast as I do. So then it says your typing test is complete. Oh, why did all these things come up? Go away. Typing test complete. You typed the 1-minute test. Your speed was 57 words per minute with 99% accuracy. This is the part I want. This number is going to go up and up and up every time you take the test because you're going to get better and better. But this is the part I want this to be in the high 90s. I want your accuracy to be correct. That's more important than your speed. Okay. WPM means words per minute. Okay. We're not going to print certificates. Okay. We're going to go back and we're going to type on or click on this arrow and go back to typing.com. And those are we did our test. Once you've done the test, you may click here on games. And there are all sorts of games that you can play. This is the most popular, Nitro Type. If you click on Nitro Type, excuse me, you can race as a guest or you can sign up for free. I believe you can use your Google account to do that as well. Sign up with Google. Okay. Once you sign up with Google, it will log you in. You create your display name and it says save and start racing. And you have lots of different games to play, but this one is the most popular. If you're playing at school or with other people, you need to make sure you have headphones in or the volume turned down. So I'm going to X that out for now. You can go to that and figure out how to play that game. So the reason this is the last thing on your list of things to do today is because it's games and you can play as long as you want. I would like for everybody to take a 1-minute test. I would like for everyone to play one game, one round. If you want to keep playing and your parents say that's okay if you're at home and if we have enough time in class, then that's fine. But you have to do the test and you need to play one round of the game because the games you're learning when you're playing those